Well, one of the reasons is that with the Wealth Arabia event, because of the diaspora it has within the Middle East and the segmentation it works with the financial world, we can access a lot of private wealth managers, private bankers, in a scope bigger than just Dubai or the region that we work with, extending our network or synergies into the European markets, the US market, and even the Asian market, due to the overall access that Wealth Arabia provides through the panel of its fragmented products through the CPI brand. It's been a great event with a lot of international input by different analysts in the program. This is something that is the start of the first summit, and yet a long way to go for the better reasons, in a way to make it more interactive for keen investors and their agents to understand better what each product has to offer for them to utilize the day more in a beneficial way outside the informative information that the mass media provides to them anyhow. But overall, a very successful day. Yes, Mr. Mobius's age, being 80 years old and an investment specialist, and unfortunately I can't fill his shoes, but I hold the same title. So hopefully if I'm 80 and I'm talking like that, I'll be very happy. But more on a serious note or more segmented note, the world of finance and the current market fragmentation that we are seeing, economic stability is at the core of concern for all investors looking into how the investors will feel and how they will be represented by their private bankers and wealth managers going forward. So I'm a chairman of a Paragon Premier Investment Fund, being an Australian development fund where we built on government-backed tenders of residential, commercial and infrastructure projects for the Australian population growth. High net worth individuals looking to diversify their investments and build or be part of a legacy of building a nation with a stable economy and a robust political diaspora that Australia is. 2017 will be looking more for high-end projects such as building hospitals, airport developments, or highway and infrastructure roads and planning projects that are much higher, but not even as a high net worth individual, yet as an institution or a private family investment to be part of an exciting road to build Australia to what it wants to be at the peak of its achievements. It is very robust and it is continuing to grow further, only because as we all know through the mass media, that Australia, and especially Melbourne, being world's #1 livable city in the world 7 years in a row, and I'm not boasting because I'm a Melbourneian, at the end of it, 2035, they expect the current population of 4.1 million to be doubled. So that's only 19 years away, and we need to double up our roads, our infrastructure, hospitals, cancer research centers, libraries, hotels, schools, airports. So all of these different infrastructure and building projects that we need to complete to accommodate the influx of population we are yet to see.